I am Tim Weber from Batesville Products, and we are experts in aluminum castings. And we're going to be featured at the Design-2-Part show coming to your area.
If you're an engineer or buyer of custom manufactured parts or services, then you need to come to the Gaylord Texan Convention Center in Grapevine for the Design-2-Part show.
I would definitely come here to find new technologies that can enable us in the prototyping world especially.
For me, it gives me the opportunity to have face-to-face interaction.
And to find new suppliers.
Being able to pick up and touch some of the products, get some of the thought process going, it allows you to trigger some ideas and maybe some solutions.
We, along with hundreds of other contract manufacturers, will be at this show to answer your questions. So if you have an aluminum casting question, come see us first. Whether it's die casting, sand casting, permanent mold, or investment casting, we'll set you straight. We are a full-service manufacturer located in southeastern Indiana, and we specialize in permanent mold aluminum castings. We're one of the few foundries in the United States that can pour zinc and aluminum in the permanent mold process. The company has been in business over 65 years. Permanent mold is the process of pouring molten aluminum into a steel mold. That's the basic process. I am Tim Weber from Batesville Products, and we are experts in aluminum castings. So click here for free admission. As our guest, we look forward to seeing you at the show.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this show to all engineers and technicians for that matter too, even purchasing agents for companies.
Get your free admission by clicking now and bring a coworker.